Oh, it works now.
Does it? Oh, is it just?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So now help me test out. Wait, let me pause this. Help me test out the chats and tell me if both of them are smooth. Where the fuck is the chats? This. I think here I should be able to see. Yeah, send some messages there.
I did. Well,
What? Test.
so
Oh,
fucking slow.
it's slow?
Yeah, I put that ages ago.
Then. Wait, hide old message? No. No. Let me do like 120 seconds. Better TTV, blah blah blah. No. Is there a way? Hey, yes, and you can also use the TTS. What the fuck? Oh, this is like, what?
It's
It's a testing,
reviews.
but why is it a
Yeah,
preview? I want the real thing. I'm live. What? How do I get this? How do I stop the preview? Fuck.
it's refresh, bro.
But I don't want to stream it. Okay, try now. I wonder if this will be a proper. No? Nothing? I don't see anything. Did you type something? Oh, test.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, one sec. What's that? Say something probably.
Okay.
And share.
Yeah, I can see. The Twitch is this one. Yeah, perfect. Should I make this bigger? All right. Oh, Kafka is now live. What the fuck? Oh, what about my YouTube name? Let me change that. Can't have that name.
That.
Welcome back. How the fuck do I change the name of my my YouTube name thing is fucked. Let me steal from Twitch. Edit. Copy. Paste. All right. Category. Is there any programming thing? There isn't. The fuck should I put it on? Gaming? Education? Science and technology, I guess. I guess that's the closest.
What?
I mean, it's technology. Technology. Is there any better option? Okay. Bruh, you wanna see what I got? Check this out. So first I'm gonna need a few things. This I'm gonna need
Does the
to.
chat work?
Yes. Let me look at it again. Test. Yes, I saw you.
But oh
FSDF.
damn, nice.
Was that fast?
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice.
Oh,
Okay.
YouTube is slow as fuck. But
Okay. I mean, whatever.
I already typed YouTube.
Programming
Oh, that's like a
fast
7 second
API.
delay on YouTube.
Um, yeah, I made an alias by the way. I just type L now, but I keep forgetting and I keep doing ls. What do I need? I need to set up my fappy, fast puppy.
Oh, see, you're happy.
Yes. What was the thing? I totally forgot. You just do first you need to do source exactly
Oh,
event
because it's fast API.
bin. Yes, what did you think? You perfect. Activate, and then I need to do UVcorn puppy app reload. Ah, almost reload. Okay, so now that I have this set up,
So,
I can come here, refresh this.
yeah, God, your Twitch stream is so smooth.
Is it the Twitch one? What about the YouTube seems
Yeah,
smooth as well, no? Look at
I
this
didn't see the
mouse.
YouTube
Look
one.
at the mouse movements.
Now the Twitch one is so much smoother.
Is it? Nice. It became smoother, like oh, because I think yesterday I was streaming on like weird settings and I fixed all the settings now. Okay, look at this. Boom! Oh fuck! Wait. Yeah. Fuck. I had such a cool thing working, but now I have this stupid shit. Wait. Let me just.
Oh, it's a bug clicker.
Yes. Look. Two bugs. Oh, 3 bugs, 4 bugs, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is all happening in Python. It's all in here.
Damn, nice.
So yeah, I get that, but
Okay, so
now
you already did it. Damn,
I already
so
did it.
fast.
Yeah, because it's fast API, you know what I mean? But now the thing is, um, I don't know if you saw the stupid shit that I just had. Like I tried for so long. Let me show you. I want to have something like this. I read documentation. I read Claude. I did everything. I wanted to grow. Like I wanted to do some sort of animation.
Yeah,
Um, my idea was something like when you click, it becomes small and then it gradually becomes big until it gets back to the same size. And only once it gets back
yeah,
to the same size, it becomes clickable again. Okay, just a little like it
yeah, got it.
starts growing again. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Uh, and my friend Pedro he was saying, "Oh no, just do that with JavaScript." And I was like, "But how do you just do that with Java?" And I asked him, "Wait, but you mean you use CSS through JavaScript, right?" And he's like, "No, no, no, forget CSS." And that's when I figured out
what?
that what he was actually saying was he does everything with Canvas. But he's crazy, whatever.
Uh,
But I already read like that. It's good practice to like, yeah, do CSS if possible, and for something like this, that CSS is probably the option.
yeah,
What should I be reading? What documentation should I be looking at?
I think you already have it, right? You're even doing the classlist.add group. So you
Yeah,
even
but
have the animation.
okay, I'm gonna tell you the problem then. So I've tested so many things. What I would like it to do is when it grows, first and foremost, if I do 0.5, this already wasn't working. I think this was one of the problems. Um,
And that's the CSS thing. It's not about JavaScript or anything. You don't have to read any documentation.
no, I mean, what do you mean? Of course I do. CSS documentation. Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
also a CSS issue, of course. Yeah.
yeah.
So I think here it just doesn't do anything. So it doesn't even go to half size, you know. So I tried and like it doesn't go below 1, and that's a problem, right? So what did I think? I had an idea, which is okay. Why don't I just make it first go to like half size and change it to 50 pixels? You know what I mean? Oh wait, I had this commented. Wait, let me see. So oh wait, what did
Yeah,
I
but
even
it
do
can
now?
very well go to it. It should
Wait,
be able to go to less than one.
how did it go from big to small? What the fuck?
Yeah, I
What?
think it's just your on click that's not working properly.
Huh? No, my on click is working. What do you mean it's not working properly? The only thing it does is it adds
Show
this
me,
class. That's all it does. It adds this class.
show me the thing, the CSS. Show me the
Um,
CSS file.
from 0.5, did I actually save this? Now I'm super confused. I did save. From 0.5 to 1, and somehow it goes from bigger to smaller? What?
Where are you adding the animation?
It's these two things. Grow, 3
God,
seconds
layer
afterwards.
depth image. So you have a transform. Why do you have the transform?
I don't know, Claude said to have a transform.
No,
Yeah,
remove
okay.
that transform or then
Forget what's in here. How would you do this?
remove that transform. You
Wait,
have
what?
it down, but just remove that transform. Yeah, that one. No, leave that one, I guess. I don't know what that one does.
The leave the one on top? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, yeah.
No, no, it doesn't work at all.
Um,
It's from 1.5 scale. Oh, wait. Now it's not gonna grow, right? But then, wait, can I do like fixed?
yeah, that might make more
Yeah.
sense. Yeah, yeah.
I figured that out because it had 1.5 and it was growing to be bigger than what it was supposed to be, so I figured I could just go and make it smaller. Okay, fixed. God damn it. Yeah, it's not entirely fixed
But
because now. So this
yeah,
is
so do one thing. Make it scale one. And then in the from, don't use from and to. Use like 0%, 50%, and then 100%. So at 0% it should be 1. At 50% it should be 0.5, and then at 100% it should be 1 again.
okay. So you're saying I can do like a 0%. This is what you're saying, right?
I don't know the syntax though.
Oh, so okay. So this is not the syntax probably. From but why? Like here I have the time already, right? Which is these 3 seconds. So if I replace this and make this 10 seconds,
Huh? Yeah, but it's not animating the click. Why are you making it 10 seconds?
just to test that this was actually the time. So now, bruh, now it's very easy. Now I just come to my JavaScript. I make it wait for 10 seconds, put it on hold for 10 seconds where he can't do anything, where he can't click
Yeah,
on this
that's
button
easy. I'm
again.
just asking you to fix the animation, bro. Because right now when you click it, it instantly becomes 0.5.
What about it? But that's what I want. Well, I don't understand what you mean.
Don't you want it to animate it shrinking as well?
No, no,
Bro, reload and
no, no.
no,
Listen. So imagine more like this. You have a bug, right? The bug disappears once you use it, right? You catch it, and the new bug appears immediately, which is a tiny bug, and it starts growing and to a full-sized bug.
but then you should make it scale 0, not 0.5.
Sure, could be that. Uh, But what is this from transform 0.5? Why wasn't that working? I'll test it. Okay.
I don't think you even need a from, do you? I think you can just remove the from, right? Right?
Can I remove this? Like,
Remove the from. Yeah.
what about the two?
Yeah, keep the two. I think that should work.
It does work. What about I remove the two?
Yeah. How would it know where to go then?
Then it just shrinks. Yeah, I wanted to understand this. This is messy. So what I would need to look up, wait, is the transition thing, transform thing, and animation. Do I really need a transition thing? I don't.
I don't even think that's being used.
Exactly.
Used anywhere. That whole thing.
Okay, so one problem. This. Oh wait, JavaScript does have async functions, right? So I want to make this into an async function. Oh, oh, insane! This already is an async function. Oh, that's
It
perfect.
doesn't need to be an async function.
Yeah, because what? Now I want it to wait so that it can't use. Oh no, maybe I have to do this differently. I need to have some sort of timer. Or wait. And
Brad, just check if the class grow exists or not.
exactly,
If the class
exactly.
grow exists, then you can't click.
Yeah, but okay. But then I have to like
You need to
uh
remove grow after
sleep
5 seconds
in
or whatever.
JavaScript.
It's there's no. I mean, there is a
There
sleep,
is, there
but
is,
you
there
should
is. I know
actually no.
exactly what
There
it
is no
is.
sleep. No, there's no sleep.
Yeah, but there's a thing that is close enough.
There's a way to make sleep, but you need to call.
Set timeout, exactly.
Yeah,
Oh, this. Yeah, I need to remember to increase this because otherwise it's a little bit too small for normal screens. Set a timer which executes a function or specified piece of code once the timer expires. So I guess what I would need is make it so that after 10 seconds it removes the class. Right?
yeah,
So
exactly.
um, set amounts, and then it does a function, and then there's a delay. Exactly. So
Use
JavaScript
anonymous functions, right?
remove class. Use anonymous function. What do you mean?
Do you know what an anonymous function is?
No. Was that your WhatsApp? No, actually, I think that was mine because
No, the Google anonymous function in JavaScript.
what for? I don't need it though, right?
You don't
Listen,
need it, but it's
this is
better.
my idea, right? So there's a thing to add a thing, right? And then there's the opposite, which removes a class, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
what I'm going to do
yeah,
is I'm going to use this function, which is the set timeout, which takes two arguments. It's going to take one function and then the time that it's going to wait
yeah.
for.
How will
That's
you pass the function?
the function is going to be this thing, the class list remove. Yeah, maybe that's it. Maybe that's literally it. Class list remove. If I had to bet, so if I do
Yeah,
but
that's it. Browsers. Google anonymous function in JavaScript.
what is wrong with
You'll
this?
understand what I'm saying.
Okay, I'll Google it
Yeah, how
in
are
a
you gonna
second.
put it in syntax? How are you
Uh,
going to
so
use
now
this with set timeout?
I'm gonna do this set time outs and comma, and then I do 10,000. Is it 10 seconds?
Yeah,
Uh, and that's it,
yeah, but
right?
this is wrong.
Is it?
That the dot remove is not a function; it's a function call. That's why I'm
What?
saying a Google
Explain me.
anonymous function.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
will understand.
explain me what that means.
So you're not actually passing. So when you do set time of 10,000, you're actually just removing it right now. You're not uh, you're not passing a function that it can then call. You're just calling the function right here. Does that make sense?
Why? Can you explain me why does that happen?
So you're literally just calling remove, right?
But that is not the way that set timeout works, right? The set timeout waits this time and then
No,
does
but
this.
for set timeout, you need to pass a function. You're not passing a function because
Can
let's
you
say this
explain me
was C++,
the
right?
difference?
Let's say it was Python or C, and you just did like list.add. That would
Mm-hmm.
just directly add to the list, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to pass a function, you'd have to like def add, and in that function you would write list.add, and then you would pass the function name to it.
Okay, so you're telling me I can just make a function that does this and then pass it here. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, exactly.
Is that what an
Yeah,
anonymous
and you
function
can
is?
do it in yeah. To do it in one line, you can use an anonymous function.
Okay. So, I mean, should I still Google it, or is this
Yeah, yeah, Google.
understanding
You
enough?
know, you'll have to look at the syntax. No, you can do it that way. I think you're gonna write a function and then pass the function name, right?
Right. So you're saying there's an easier way. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, you can do it in one line.
What, bro? Why would you? Why would you ever do that? Fuck! I have the camera. Like the camera is hiding this part. I can't see whatever is in here. Whatever. Um. So yeah, the delay seems pretty small, right? Wait, let me quickly fix something. So this restream thing, the chat. Can you send a message again, please? Just so I see how big it is, because I'm afraid like I might miss messages. Oh, it's big. Wait, let me.
Massive. How the fuck are you gonna miss?
It's massive, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Let me
that's
just,
what she said.
because I was afraid, because somewhere on this thing, Matrix. Wait. Oh, it does.
Or they're
Fuck.
linked.
They're linked. That's so stupid. I made it so that they disappear after 120 seconds. Let me increase like 300 seconds. Okay.
Oh yeah, I have to increase that in my stream as well. Someone just someone puts a message in chat and it just disappears in 5 seconds. And then I don't even know that they put a message. Damn bro, you have 209 followers.
Yeah, I got botted. It is what it is.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
Uh,
like ages ago, right?
ages ago on
Um,
I think Fortnite.
the,
Okay. Let me. No, I've been enjoying this a lot. Functions. Um, aren't there anonymous functions? Control F, anonymous. Really? Is that the first?
yeah, go to the earlier link,
Fuck.
the link you visited earlier.
We
I
say
guess
little
it
what
was there on the left side.
and how to repair them using normal techniques with the arrow function technique itself. Ah, okay, I've read about this. It is a function that does not have any name associated with it. Normally, we use the function keyword before the function name. Okay, I see. I see. Okay, I know exactly what it is already. But I mean, I might as well just read this to solidify my knowledge. Normally, we use the function keyword before the function name to define a function in JavaScript. However, in anonymous functions in JavaScript, we use only the function keyword without the function name. Uh, can you again explain me why this is not a function? Because this in Python, this would be a function, right? Is this everything here looks
No,
like a
it's the
function?
function call, bruh. Calling the function. It's not a function. Right. In fact, right now, if you
Okay,
remove
okay.
the
So
bracket,
I get it. I get it. So it's like in C you'd pass an at like the pointer to the function as opposed to
yeah,
just calling the function. Right,
yeah,
right. I get it.
exactly.
I get it. Okay, I see. Yeah, of course. Couldn't I just put an at here? No, no. Okay, I see. Let me
No.
keep. An anonymous function is not accessible after its initial creation. It can only be accessed by a variable it is stored in as a function. Wait. It is not accessible after its initial creation. It can only be accessed by a variable it is stored in as a function as a value. Okay, so you can put it as a variable, but like what it's saying is it's created and it dies there, right? In this case, the way that I'm doing, that's what it's saying, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Can also have multiple arguments, but only one expression. Wait, what does one expression mean?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe a return.
Description. Hello. Oh, there you go. Named function. If you want to refer to the current function inside the function body, you need to create a named function expression. Oh, Glass 180. Hi. How's it going? Is this now? How do I know if this is from YouTube or if this is from Twitch? Yeah, it is from Twitch because I just saw it here, but I thought there was a way to see it. Um, sorry. So this name is then local only to the function body scope. No, this is not.
Oh, there's actually no way to tell.
What is a function expression? I mean, in your case, there is because you're a mod in Twitch, so
Yeah,
on
yeah.
Twitch. Function expressions. A function is not a magical language structure, but a special kind of value. The syntax that we used before is called a function declaration. There is another syntax for creating a function that is called a function expression. Oh, this is it. This thing that you're saying, an anonymous function is a function expression. Is that what it is?
Is it? I don't know. I've never heard of function expression.
But this is it, right? This is exactly what you're saying. You create like this function thing, and then you put the actual function
Yeah,
inside.
yeah. Let's read
Okay,
further.
let me see. Difference between function expression and
Why are you not typing spaces?
function. Oh, am I not? I can't see the fucking thing because the camera is there. Difference.
What camera?
Oh, I'm pressing the camera from my keyboard between
Why is it on your screen?
function expression because it's a place where I found that it works good and anonymous
Why didn't
function.
you just remove it?
Oh, by the way, does this have like a? By the way, I don't know if you followed, but I just realized. No, I don't think you did. But I just realized that maybe I don't have a way to check follows. So I probably should get one of the widgets that. Okay,
Yeah,
I'll do it later. Function expression. just like a function declaration or function statement, the only difference is that a function name is not started in a function expression. That is, anonymous functions are created in function expressions. Oh, okay. So the anonymous
Wait,
function is
no,
what's inside
wait, it's saying the function expressions run as soon as they're defined.
what? Where did I say that? Oh,
The
you're reading the
last
wrong
line,
thing.
the first thing. No, the last line on this one.
The function expression run as soon as they are defined. An anonymous function is a function without a function name. Only function expressions can be anonymous. Oh, okay. So all the
So
anonymous
all
functions are
anonymous
function
functions are
expressions.
function expressions. Yeah.
But not all function expressions are anonymous.
Yeah, I guess. So what is an example of a non-anonymous function expression? Oh, I guess it's exactly what we just saw, right? It was the hi was open the previous websites.
This?
Yeah, this is not anonymous, right?
Oh, so you're
Because
saying this is a function
it has a
expression?
name.
No, this is not.
No, not that. That's a normal function.
I
Yeah, that's a
mean, no, this is
declaration.
still an anonymous function because, or not.
But it has a name. It has a name. Say hi.
Oh yeah, they do not mention anonymous here. Okay, so when you pass it to like a variable, you just call it function expression. Okay. But if it's
Maybe.
just like I'm about to do, then it's just okay. So okay, let's see if I understand how to do this. I would just do function um mm, 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 I never hit the right key. Function and then you do this. No, where's the key? This one. And then I can literally just do yoink, paste. No? Yoink, paste. No? Motherfucker. Paste. No. I cannot type the. Fuck. Why can't I make it? Oh, I think I know why. V until the end, yoink. And now here, paste, and it's gonna work. Right. So now I need to do one more thing, which is G down, do this, and this. Okay. Delete to down. Um, so you think this is gonna work already? Okay. But now what I need to do
What?
is an if
No, no,
statement.
that's wrong, bro.
Is it?
Bro, the whole point was you need to pass a function to set timeout, but you're still calling the thing
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So,
in set
so
timeout.
yeah. Oh, let me do it in multiple lines. Okay. So what I would do here is this, and then oh, sorry, sorry. Of course. Okay. Wait. Fuck. This is a little bit of a mess. Let me start from scratch, just for practice function. From practice. So what I would do is I would copy this bug image dot class list. I didn't even check if remove is a thing, but I'm guessing it is, right? Remove row. Oh, actually, no, wait, no. Oh, sorry, sorry. What I need to do is set timeouts, right? This is what I need to do. How the fuck is it? Is it this thing? Is that the syntax? Set timeouts, and
No,
now
I
it's gonna
mean, yeah, yeah,
pass one function, which is going to be. Do you leave the space here? I don't know. And
it doesn't matter.
this, and here you would do bug image dot class list dot add Dot remove
remove.
grow. Right, it does this, right, and then it ends, and then comma, and you do 10, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Now, see, look, here's an example of kind of spaghetti code that you just created. Because in CSS, the time is different, right? Like,
Oh, is it?
uh, I mean, it might be the same, but I'm saying it's
It's not
not linked.
precise.
So if you want to, uh, now, I mean, like, if you want to change the time now, let's say you want to make it 5 seconds, now you have to change it both over here and in the CSS as well.
Oh, it fucking works.
So
Yeah, I know what I mean. I know what I mean. Okay, so let me think. Let me think how I would do it.
I don't think you should because it's a pain just
Okay,
for
okay, okay.
like a
Let's forget it for now.
prototype.
Uh, f-
Yeah,
for now, let me do something which is I'm gonna make it 3 seconds on both places, of course. Let me just test it. And now I want to have it be green. Can I make this green?
does it work? Why can you not click it again?
Why can I not what?
Can you click it again?
No, you can't. You can't.
Oh,
No, no, this works perfectly. I'm spamming. This works perfectly. Oh, oh, I broke it.
no, it's increasing.
Oh, I broke it.
Oh, you
Let me.
haven't added the if statement yet.
Wait, what? Wait, that it was working just
You
earlier.
haven't added the if statement, bro. It's working because it's just waiting for the animation to end and shit. But you still need to add the if
Okay.
statement, bro.
Yeah, yeah,
The if statement will
yeah.
actually check.
If um. Oh, and I need to have a variable as well. Uh, or I can just check if it has the thing.
Yeah,
Uh, um, check for class JavaScript. Did I type JavaScript? I can see.
you were typing JavaScript, but yeah, you typed JavaScript at the end.
Element class list contains exactly. Okay. If um, mm, 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 if bug image dot class list dot contains I'm guessing this is gonna be in
Wait, give me 1 sec.
right. Um, all right. So this works. What next? Um, so now let's create ways. Let's create a way. So on this side, I'll create ways to automate bugs. Mm,
Does it work?
yeah, it works perfectly.
Nice. Oh,
Uh,
beautiful.
yeah, it works super well. There is a problem though, is that you can select it like this, which is a little bit weird. You see, like this happened.
Yeah,
Whatever. I'm not trying to make it perfect like that. So now give me an idea. What
I
is the
think you
first?
could make it so that there's a hand when you hover on top of it
Oh, okay, but whatever.
instead of it just being a cursor.
Not important
Yeah,
right now, right? How do I? What is gonna be my first building? Give me the idea, like the concept. You know what I mean? How can you create more bugs?
something that creates bugs.
Oh yeah, I know. So you can
Programmer.
have, yeah, exactly. But you could have like different classes. You can create more self-taught programmers, which those are the ones that create the most bugs. And then you have
Oh,
boot campers.
no,
Then you have
that is
boot campers.
offensive, bruh.
I know, but I mean, I'm a self-taught programmer, so I mean, and I still find it funny. And then you have the bachelor's guys. Or is there another way to do this? Give me an idea. What is?
No, I think you should just have one programmer class and then something else entirely.
Okay, give me
Uh,
ideas.
something that
No, but the
creates
thing is, it
bugs.
has to be like, oh, what about junior programmers? The thing is, listen, if it was like, okay, let's ignore the self-taught, okay, because I guess all programmers are self-taught, right? Uh, but let's think
And
of
that's
the
not
boot
provider.
campers. What do you mean? I mean, at the end of the day, you have to go and like check the stuff yourself. You gotta learn it yourself. You gotta read the document. You can do a bachelor's, but the bachelor's won't make you a programmer, right?
I mean, it'll make you a programmer, just not a good one.
Okay, so the idea is the bootcamp has like a duration, right? And you could estimate, and the lore could be so that bootcamps make X programmers per day, let's say, and the university creates less, but they create more bugs. No,
Create
that,
more
that doesn't make
bugs.
sense. That doesn't
No,
make sense.
that's why not?
Because I mean, why would the university make more bugs than the
Because
boot
all the
campers?
people that at least in a boot camp you actually sit down and do projects. At university you just write tests.
Mm. Or I mean, I guess we could say that the university provides higher quality bugs. More
Oh, sure, maybe you could have like five bugs, right?
yeah, no, for
You
sure.
could
I
have a normal bug, you could
look,
have a
uh
praying mantis.
types. Oh my god, can I find the P? Types of bugs programming. Yeah, I bet this is a thing. Functional bugs, security bugs, performance bugs, syntax bugs. And these could be like collectibles. Every time that you get the first functional bug, it's like you unlock it.
Yeah.
Functional bugs. Doesn't submit a form. Syntax error. What about segmentation faults and shit? Is that not a bug? Or is segmentation fault like inside one of
It
these?
comes under some other bug. Yeah. You're thinking about types of errors, not types of bugs.
Hmm. Okay, let's find a website that has
Bro,
12.
I gotta go though.
Go, go, go.
Let's see.
See you later. All right. Syntax bugs. Performance bug, compatibility bugs. I was kind of looking for maybe syntax bugs. Um, I'm I'm having some ideas, but they're too offensive. Um, Logical bugs, calculation bugs. What if I search for bugs? Okay, like software bugs in how do you call this, in order of how bad they are ranked. The hardest to identify. Mm, okay. Let me think of the name later. Let me start implementing. I don't think this is relevant right now. So, okay, what I want is to have um, one of these, which is one of these links. Yeah, first I don't want it to be a link, right? So let's I want it to be a button. Will it be a button? Is it too like lame to have it as a button? Probably not. Let's do let's do no, let's go back up right here. If I can hit the right key somehow. Oh, what did I do? Yeah, okay. There you go. Button, and then we'd have a class, which would be buildings, buildings buttons, something like that. If I can find the right keys. And oh my god, why do I keep doing that? And now just have a thing called upgrade 1, and then we close this. Okay, so now let's go on my CSS. Bug layer right. So this is flags, yes. So now I would do, because this this is what, this is a class, so I would do this. So it would be buildings buttons. That's what it was, right? And what would it be? Um, I don't have to do anything actually. But I mean, let's see what we have right now. Upgrade one. All right. Okay, for now we don't need anything. So what we actually need is to create the on-click event and then to deal with ads on our Python thing. Okay, so the fast API thing. So this one is the root one. I'm not sure why it's the root one. I should probably organize this properly, but okay, so what I want is, well, if all of this is in the same file, this will save me a lot of trouble. But at the same time, it's going to be a mess, right? So I'm thinking maybe I should start dealing with that right now. So, but I mean, that is also not that hard of a thing to implement, is it? What I want is to have a variable called building one, which is going to be equal to level 0 at the start, right? And then we're going to have an API that is going to be building one. Can you do underscores? Not sure. We'll try it. And then we'll make it async. Do we make it async? I don't remember if we're supposed to make it async. Yeah, I think we always make it async, right? Is there any reason why we wouldn't? Or actually, maybe I should ask, is there any reason why we would? Because it stops the flow of the program until it gets resolved. But that's not good, right? Because if for some reason this takes a long time to upgrade, I still want to like produce the things. Okay, so let me, I don't know why I have this as cookies, so let me quickly percentage s replace cookies with bug total, bugs total. What was it? Bugs total global. Okay. Was it bugs total? What is the thing? Total bugs. That was the name. Fuck. Okay, so where's my Python? So percentage s bugs total is gonna be total bugs. Yeah, that does sound better. G. All right. Now what? We have this button. Okay, so let's keep going. Async define this is gonna be uh, I'm already seeing some things that are not right. So what I would like to do is for the API call to have to pass an argument. And I guess now this is the moment that I go and check the documentation. Fast API. Requirements, example. Oh, this is it. Yep. Okay. This is the argument that I wanted. So what I would do is I would have buildings thing, and then I would have like a thing that would be building, right? A sync define function, which, and this is gonna be like buildings upgrade, and as a thing we're gonna pass building. But I'm already seeing some possible flaws with this. Because then I need a bunch of if statements, like, okay, I mean whatever. So I could just do if building equals to 1, and then just do building 1, no, fuck, building 1 plus equal 1. I can hit the right key. Okay. And what else? And that's it. That's all this does actually, because then the rest of the logic would be on the JavaScript. And so now what I would like to do is to have another on click events, right? So I'd have to first grab the thing. So I would do const, and let's call it upgrades upgrade 1 equals 2, and documents dot query selector, and then I would have dot buildings buttons dot buildings buttons right. What else? So we have this, then we'll have the upgrade 1 dot on click equals to documents, no, equals to okay, Okay, and we're gonna use this what do you call function expression, right? So async function, async function, and do this, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna call, oh, first and foremost, how do I do this? Do I make a function that does this whole logic? Or do I do this? No, I don't think I do. I think I literally just do in here. I will do let's fetch equal to await fetch http http 127.0.0.1 8000 slash slash and now dot py dot py wait, let me quickly close everything else. So let me close this, let me close this. Okay, just so that it's easier to like check everything. So this is gonna be buildings and then the name of the building. So buildings, and then oh, do I have, I think I know how to solve this actually. I would need to use these. So I would use string literal, is it? Is that what it's called? So this, and now I would do this if I remember the syntax correctly, and I would pass I mean, no, wait, I don't need this actually, because the truth is I can just put 1. Yeah, is that what it was supposed to be? Yeah, 1, I think it is. So we have this, then we'll make a JSON thing, JSON wait fetch await fetch dot JSON. Now we just return JSON. We don't even have to return anything actually. Oh, we do, so that we can upgrade it right away. So JSON dot message. So now that means that I do need to have a return value, and then we will return return building 1, or actually we need to do this. Yeah, so we need to do this, find b, and this, and now we just do message this. Okay, I think this is already working. Although, so now I need to check if it is working though. So to be able to check it, now I would need to do, okay, I need to use some HTML. Okay, so I would come here Yeah, I know. I'll have to redo this slightly. So, um, um, I'm thinking what is the best way. Am I gonna have the level inside the button? Let's just have that for now. Upgrade 1. And then okay, so we call the thing, where is it? So we're gonna call the thing, we're listening for it, we call this, and we don't return just the message. Actually, what we're gonna do is uh we're gonna do, oh, first let's did I grab the thing? I did not. So const up 1. Wait, don't I have this already? No, I did not do this here. Const up 1 equals to documents query selector. Wait, where did I just do this earlier? Or am I tripping? I don't know. Document selector. And now we would do, bro, it's literally here. Am I an idiot? It's literally here. So now what I want to do is, already forgot. So I would do upgrades 1 dot styles, no, dot text content equal to, oh my god, can I find the equal key? There you go. Equal to oh, this is so wrong. This is so wrong. So I have this async thing. What it does this, and it equals to, yeah, no, it is correct. JSON dot message, right? This is not how I want it to be at the end, but this should be decent enough. So if I do this, no, it doesn't work at all. Doesn't work at all. What is even going on? Buildings, building. If building equals to 1, building plus equal 1, that makes some sense to me. Does it give any error here? Should I check? No, come on, give me this, no, give me this. Hello? What am I doing? Where did everything go? What the heck? What the? Oh, that's what happened. 1 second, writing a message. Okay, where is it failing? Uh, well, I guess first let's try. So it would be buildings. Um, buildings and then /1. No, this does not work. Um, why would it not work? Buildings upgrade. Oh, because I don't have. I was gonna say. Oh, Pedro, what's up? I think maybe what's going on here. Uh, oh, by the way, you're on your PC. I will teach you how to set up Git if you want, very quickly. Maybe I need to make this a global variable, but I don't think this would be the issue though. Would it? I think if building one was not a global variable, what would happen would be that it would create one like inside the scope. And so this is something wrong with this logic right here. And let's look at the documentation again. Where the fuck was it? I just had it open. Example, this. Run the server, docs. Okay. Right, I've already read all of this. No, this is not what I wanted to see. Check it. Wait. Items, item ID. So I need to go to the path. Right. Both paths take get operations. Item ID has a parameter item that should be an int. Should I make that clear? I don't think it is relevant though. So okay, but let's. So what he's saying is that here I could just do int. Although I'm not sure if it's really an int, right? Oh, it worked. Okay, so now if I upgrade again and I come here, it says 3. Perfect. Okay, so now this part is working. It's just not updating the title of the thing. So upgrade1 text content. Let's see. So let me check this. Text contents JavaScript. Not Node, no. Element.text content. Okay. Is that not what I did? JSON.message. JSON.message, right? Because really what is happening here is I'm grabbing the element message, which is building 1, which is just an int. So it should be working. Okay, the other thing that I'm thinking that it could be the issue is this is a class named buildings buttons. Buildings buttons, right? And on my JavaScript, it grabs the classes, they are grabbed like this with a dot. Buildings, buttons. This is correct, and it's called upgrade 1. So I say upgrade 1 dot text contents equals to this. So the other option is that it's not going inside this function, and if that's the case, I mean, it has to be going inside this function because it is updating it, right? So let's console so now let's see. No, console. I click here. Cannot access fetch before initialization. Oh, wait, what? Because at upgrade one dot on click. Wait, fetch dot json. I have it here, motherfucker. What is this? I do have the let thing. What about I change this to fetch URL, and then it would be fetch url.json, right? So now refresh, do this. Let is not defined. What? What am I? This is just, this is declaring a variable. What am I? What is going on? One second, let me see. Okay. What is going on? Let is not defined. This is gonna be some bullshit about like some brackets that should have been. Oh, no, no, no. There's a bracket. There's a closing bracket. So what is different here? Upgrade one dots on click equals to async function. Then shit happens inside of it. All right, they all have the same indentation. I don't understand. Could it be that there's some unclosed brackets now? Let me pass it on Claude. Come on, Claude, give me. Hello. Right, so let me pass here. Copy, paste. Let.console. I'm an idiot. I'm a moron. Okay. There you go. Okay. It's working. I need a little break. What is it called? How much was it? 1 hour and 20 minute stream. Makes sense. I will be back in a little bit after I eat lunch. Or actually, I might have work soon, so we'll see about that. See you in a bit.